crazy how you think you 100.
The Civic in for a belt replacement. Make your diagram first. All you need, 19 mil wrench, and maybe another one for an extension if you need. You're gonna find the tensioner down here and push it up right on there. You got the flash on so you can see it a little better. Gonna push this up a little bit and then take the belt off. I'm gonna let go of it nice and slowly. Go ahead and take off your wrench and take off the belt accordingly. And always size up your old belt with your new belt. Make sure it's the same size. And once you finesse your way on, do the exact same with the tensioner. And then once you've double checked the belt diagram that you made earlier and make sure that it all lines up how it should. Okay, and then same thing, putting it on with the tensioner to get it to where you want it, and then look over it again. Give it a start, see how she sounds. Sounds pretty good. Go around, check the belt, and you're done.